What is cellular health? Our bodies contain over 75 trillion living cells, but your cells, like those of every person on this planet, are breaking down. Healthy lifestyle or not, no one escapes the consequences of age. Although you may feel well, the effects of cellular breakdown are sneaking up on you. By the age of 50, you have half the signaling that you had as a child. About 10% decline in signaling every decade, every 10 years. These are some of the types of cells in your body: stem cells, bone cells, blood cells, muscle cells, fat cells, skin cells, nerve cells, sex cells, pancreatic cells, even cancer cells that don't need to be fed. They're just letting there's some defect and they can grow. We don't want that to happen. What exactly is cellular communication? It's important to understand how our cells function. Each cell in our body contains over 5,000 mitochondria. They are the power plants that convert fuel, that's the food we eat, into ATP, the energy currency that powers every function of the body. Millions of times per second, they produce a set of redundant molecules and oxidative molecules, hence the name redox molecules. For years, science believed that these redox molecules were a waste product, but in the 1990s, American scientists discovered they were actually sending out bursts of electrical chemical signals to the brain and nearby cells, much like Morse code, and then quickly reverting back into salt water from whence they came. Yes, over 50% of your body mass is nothing more than salt water. And even more critical, they found that our bodies produce less of these molecules over time. With fewer and fewer of these cells on the job, our bodies can start to experience a failure to communicate, and issues may develop in our digestive system, in our inflammatory, can have an inflammatory response, in our immune system, and in our hormone production and our cardiovascular system. The importance of cellular health is well documented, and research in this new category known as redox signaling has gone on for decades. Multiple Nobel Prizes have been awarded in this category. As the accumulation of decades of research, only one company has succeeded in stabilizing these molecules into cell signaling supplement, known in Australia as ASEA. Today, it's available for sale in over 26 countries of the world. It has been scientifically tested and shown to signal the activation of genetic pathways or affect genes that help improve the 5 problem areas above.